Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. Today's topic of discussion is retinal detachment. So as we know, retina is the back layer of the eye, the inside layer of the eye. If you liken the eye to a camera, then this is the film of the camera on which images get captured. The retina is like a wallpaper of a room. In some patients, what happens is, if I pull out the wallpaper, it'll kind of flap down. That may happen, and this is called a retinal detachment. A retinal detachment could be of different varieties. The commonest one is because of an injury or because of a trauma, a hit on the eye. You wake up one fine day and suddenly you feel that you can't see. There's a tube light flashing and there's a curtain like blackout which has happened in the eye. You rush to the ophthalmologist, and on a detailed checkup we find out that the retina has peeled off, kind of ballooned out, and the cause also can be located. It could be a tiny hole or a weak spot in the retina. This is common in patients who have very high numbers. They have sometimes impact injuries, or even without it there could be a sudden slip off of the retina. If a detachment occurs, it has to be treated as an emergency procedure. The faster you treat the detached retina, better is the chance of recovery. Yes, a detachment can recover nicely, it can recover completely also, depending on how fresh it is and whether it's involving the center, which is the macula, or not. Another variety of detachment is commonly seen in a diabetic patient. This is because of a proliferative vitreoretinopathy or a hemorrhage or some sort of traction or pull. A lot of bands, fibers, hemorrhage, blood clots, all these pull the retina. Because of this constant pull and traction, the retina gives way and it gets kind of crumpled up and it folds over itself. This retinal detachment is a little tougher to treat. It's more chronic, so you may not notice it till it's pretty late. This would need a very complex procedure, which would involve peeling of the membranes, putting in oil or gas or fluid, and a little tough surgery. It's a major surgery. But yes, results in this also can be achieved very nicely. Now, detachment surgery is done, vitrectomy. There are various varieties that can be done, but modern day vitrectomy surgery entails sutureless surgery in which stitches are not taken. It's a fine gauge surgery and high speed cutting, so the results of these surgeries are very, very nice. So don't be disheartened if you have experienced these symptoms of a sudden blackout of vision which is painless and your doctor tells you you need a detachment surgery. Just get the surgery done. Be prepared for a little extended recovery time, and you may be asked to sit in a particular position for many hours of the day in order to heal completely. There will be many visits to the doctor, and you may need a resurgery after 3, 4 or maybe 6 months to remove the oil if they've put in any. So be prepared for a little uphill task, a little extended recovery period, but yeah, results are very good, very promising. So be realistic and hope for the best. You will do well. Thank you.